Has a message from the PIA, no? PIA 10 headed by Mr. Franklin Gumapon. RD.
May buntag sa tanan. So my respect to Councilor Marlene L. Young, the embodiment of a true young and beauteous lady, no, in the city of Iligan. And of course, our friend Miss Reggie Punongbayan, the President of Iligan Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and also the area manager of the Mindanao Development Authority, Miss Lordelie Enhambre, members of the 4th Estate, our KBP chairperson, local KBP chairperson here. Again, good morning. So one of the 8-point agenda of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. focuses on economic development, to fully recover from the COVID-19 pandemic that struck the globe in 2019 to 2021 or 2022. But Northern Mindanao's economy, and the economic growth of the region was affected by the pandemic. But in 2022, the region's economy has bounced back. In fact, it's the fastest among the regions in the country. So we need to sustain this. And to keep the region's economy strong, this requires the support of all sectors, more particularly the small, micro, and medium enterprises. So let us not also sacrifice the environment in our quest for economic development. That's why we are fully supporting the Mindanao Power Summit, to be held here in Iligan City come May. So this will usher in innovative solutions, environment-friendly measures to improve the power supply, not only here in Mindanao, but the entire country as well. So the Philippine Information Agency, one of the bureaus of the Presidential Communications Office, under Secretary Chiloy Garafil, together with Radio Pilipinas, Philippine News Agency, BCS, and other PCO attached agencies, I'm sure that all these bureaus and agencies are supportive of this endeavor because we are all the communication arm of the government, communications arm of the government. So even if the summit will take place in May, may I congratulate in advance the Iligan Chamber of Commerce and of course the MINDA and all partner agencies for the support and for making this event a success. Salamat ug may buntag.